Put them apart. Look at that. Let them rest a little bit. Yeah. Put them in a little soup. Alright, you know how to do this. We'll be back. Got all the baby backs chopped up. Yeah, look at that. Alright. You're going to see what we're going to do now. Garlic, baby. Got 1 can of Southwest style bean and barley. Or I also like to use the Tuscan style lentil.